In this video, we're going to look at regular polygons, interior and exterior angles. Previous knowledge required for this is to be able to deal with angle rules in regular polygons. And we also need to know how to name each of these polygons. So from a triangle up to a 10-sided decagon, you would need to know those names. Okay, so let's look at method 1. Find the interior and exterior angles of the following regular pentagon. Okay, well, my interior angle is this one. My exterior angle is that one. Now for method 1, I'm going to use what I used for irregular polygons. It has 5 sides, 3 triangles. That is subtract 2. So each triangle is 180 degrees. So when I multiply that out, I'm going to get 540 degrees. Now, each of these 5 interior angles are equal. So my interior angle is equal to 540 degrees divided by 5, which gives me 108 degrees. Well, this sits on a straight line, 180 degrees. So if this is my interior, my exterior is 72 degrees, because the 108 and the 72 will give me 180 degrees. So there's my first method. My second method I'm going to use is the one I'm going to use for every question in this video, and it's the 360 divided by sides gives me the exterior angle. So 360 divided by 5 gives me 72 degrees. So my exterior, my interior must be 108, because that needs to add to 180 degrees. So 72, 108. I think this one's much quicker. And every time I see the word regular, I start the question by writing down that. Okay, let's look at some examples. 360, a regular polygon has 20 sides. Find its exterior angle. Okay, so I'm going to take this down. It has 20 sides. It's going to just give me my exterior angle. So 360 divided by 20 is equal to 18. Is the exterior angle. That question's done. The exterior angle of a regular polygon is 30 degrees. How many sides does it have? You want that, but I know its exterior angle is 30 degrees. But if you think of it this way, if you didn't know what that was, you didn't know it was 3, you do 12 divided by 4 to give you 3. Well, 360 divided by 30 degrees will give you the sides. And it's got 12 sides. The interior angle of a regular polygon is 165 degrees. How many sides does it have? Okay, so 360 degrees divided by the number of sides gives me, now just be careful here, it does say interior angle. So if my interior is equal to 165, my exterior must be 15 degrees. So I'm going to put 15 degrees in there. So 360 divided by 15 gives me 24, and it's got 24 sides. Here is a part of a regular polygon. how many sides does it have? So this time it doesn't, the diagram tells me that this is interior. So if my interior is 177 degrees, makes my exterior just 3 degrees. So if I just type that in underneath my rule, so 360 divided by 3, you don't need the calc to tell you that's 120 sides. Okay, here is a regular hexagon. Find the angle X. Okay, so 360 degrees divided by sides is equal to exterior, so 360 divided by 6, 60 degrees. So my interior is 120 degrees. So that's going to be a big help. So I know this is 120 degrees. I also know, because the shape is regular, that this is an isosceles triangle. So if I do 180 degrees, take away 120 degrees, and then that's 60 degrees divided by 2, that will give me X is 30 degrees. Okay, here are some questions to have a go at. Press pause, have a go. The answers will follow in 1 moment. A and B. C and D. And E.